Okay guys, now it's a new update. There's new tuna fish, but the new arena points have reset, and I have recorded a little bit of arena. But that's why I've got some points. You know, being like so good doing games. But yeah, I'll probably be doing this a series. More will be with Rainy. His YouTube is, I'll have him linked in the description. Xxclapedxx but TTV. So yeah, I'll have him linked in the description. And now, because of last game, I'm going to be landing somewhere low key. I hope you guys enjoy the video. So that, like, that was like 100%, like, good fighting. Kinda. Oh well, we're off to an alright start. We're off to an alright start. I've only said that 50 times. We're off to a pretty good start, and well, it's doing alright, but it's like I'm not playing arena how I normally would. Like, I'm kind of rushing everyone I see because I'm not losing hype, but I only have to get to 400, so yeah. See you guys when I'm in a fight. Well, I said at the start of the video that we're going to be getting Rainy, and here he is. Rainy, any words? Right there.
He went out.
Behind.
Suck his skin. Dead. Perfect. There's a soccer skin under the stairs. Wait, get your finish. He's coming to kill his partner. There's like other bit. Yeah, just hide under there. He won't see you. Go mini up and big one.
Okay.
This one. No one landed blue house. No one landed blue house.
Yeah. Alright. Well, guys, I haven't really been talking in all my clips. I've just been deleting them.
Oh yeah, someone landed blue house. In here.
Wait, I'm taking shields.
Oh, you're not coming yet. You're not here yet.
Yeah,
okay, that's fine. Oh, Ferrari skin.
You held off?
Yeah, I can. He's not like rushing. Like, I'm in a window. He's in the house. He's like right here. Go.
I'll go opposite side.
Oh, he left. Just let him do it.
Oh, I don't have an AR, so I can't do much about that.
I got no AR ammo. We need to go back and loot this house because I don't.